time value of money. Your money today is different from your money 2 years or 3 years from now. Kaya, yes, it is also part of the screening tool or evaluation process, no, about the payback period, pero it does not consider the time value of money. Also, class, no, there's also what you call bailout period. They are the same with the payback period. Pagkakaiba nila, the payback period, it does not consider the salvage value. But in the bailout period, yes, it does consider the salvage value. Again, in the payback period, hindi po kasali ang payback period. Ang salvage value in computing. But in the bailout period, kasali po, no, ang ating salvage value. Yan lang naman, no, ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa, the treatment of the salvage value. Thank you.